One of the things I always found difficult when designing a wavy stitch is to remember how many chains you need to begin with if you're working out your design. So let's break it down. So for a simple wavy stitch, if we get my piece of paper here, all you need to remember is we're going to be using 2 increases, 2 decreases, and some stitches in between, let's say 3 double crochet. And what we're going to do is we're going to always place the decreases in the middle like this together, and we're going to split up our increases so they sit either end of our pattern repeat, and then we're just going to put the however many double crochets we want to do in between that, and that is our pattern repeat. So then all we need to do is to just mark how many chains we need to do. So we have 1 for the increase, 2 for the decrease, and then we can calculate that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our pattern repeat is going to be a unit of 12. And we would just then repeat that. So we have our increase by itself at the beginning, then however many stitches we want in between, then we put our decreases together, however many stitches in between, and then we finish with our other increase, and that's another unit of 12, like so. And what we also want to remember is that maybe our first increase is going to be a chain 3 or a chain 2, depending on how thick your yarn is. So then we would add 3. So for this little swatch here, which is this exact pattern repeat, I did an initial chain of 12 plus 12 plus 3, so that's 24, 25, 26, 27. So I chained 27 to begin. So there we go. I hope that has sort of helped you remember how to design a wavy stitch, and you can of course add more or less double crochets in between like that, but this will create a really nice simple wavy stitch like this. And there we go. I hope you follow along, subscribe for more little crochet tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.